Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. King Rastafari on top of a mountain in the Caribbean Sea, Atlantic, Ethiopicus.
Hey family, welcome to another of our restoration videos. In this one, I'll be featuring our kitchen restoration project. I featured phase 1 in a previous video. For those of you who missed it, I'll be linking that in the description bar. As we go along, step by step, we're quite happy to take you along. So for those of you who've bought old properties and you're currently restoring it, we're always happy to share tips. We're always happy to share our journey, and we're always happy to take you along with us. This property we bought back in 2014. We paid off for it within 4 years, and whatever we do to it now will only add value. Sit with us on this journey as we move forward. Look at these men. My family is full of gifted men, talented men. Then I was in a shots. Show them sexy legs. Oh, you mean? See it here? Look at this. The men in my family are so gifted. That's my brother over there. My little brother. Well, my little big brother. My younger brother.
5 feet. 5 feet?
My brother was younger than me. And you know, Ras are ready. Ras is on it. This is the kitchen in progress. See there? Yeah. Yes, Day 2. So Ras had already done the walls of the kitchen and the electrical bit, made sure that the wires were intact and the plumbing was intact, as well as he made sure that the floorboards were laid ready for when Master Blaster, that's Mr. Keith from Mason Home Improvement all the way in Georgia, arrived here. So Mr. Keith is my brother. That's my biological brother. He is a professional building contractor. He runs his own business in Georgia. He does the full works: home restoration, plumbing, everything, electrical, you name it. I say to him often that he's a master of every single trade I can think of. Mr. Keith had only come for 5 days, and we had to get these units up within 5 days. So what would have happened was I would have to wait for like 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Some places were quoting us 6 weeks to wait for those ready units to be ordered in. However, I could not go through all of that. The inconvenience of not having a fully functioning kitchen, as well as for my brother to have traveled so far and to come here in Texas and to not get the work done, I had to resort to something. So I came up with a brilliant idea of just settling for unstained units, and I know for sure that after they've been mounted on the wall, Rasta would do an excellent job of staining those units in the color that we so wanted for a kitchen. So within 3 days, Mr. Keith, with the help of Rasta, got the kitchen floor done, as well as all the cupboard units installed. So I'm going to be showing you now the finish, the end result of this part of the journey. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you phase 3, and that is of how we got our granite worktop installed, as well as adding the finish touches to this our beautiful kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. My bro is leaving today. He's going back to Georgia today. So he's gonna do the 10-hour journey back to Georgia. So we're here, just send him forward, you know. Come through, Mosquito. Rasta is opening the gate. The monster truck. Rasta, what are we called? Yes, Mosquito.
701 miles to go.
Oh my God! For you take down the first mile.
Yeah.
We are all right. That's the attitude. Bless up, Mason. Home improvement. Bless up, my brother. Love. All right. Oh Lord. That's Mason's home improvement all the way from Georgia to Texas. Yeah. He's doing the 10-hour drive now. Back to his family.